Good day everyone, welcome back to another This Is Dope, and today we're going to be doing a little bit something different. We're going to be partycasting the new Soundcore Boom 3i to the Soundcore Boom 2 to the Motion Boom Plus from Soundcore. So, just in case you don't know, this is a brand new speaker from Soundcore. This is extremely small but extremely durable. There's a couple of facts. This does have 50 watts of power, passive radiators on both sides that do light up. It does work with the Soundcore app. You have your tweeter right here, and you also have a 6x9-inch type shape speaker right inside of here. You have your controls on top. It does charge and recharge via USB-C. So you have your USB-C port right over here. And this is floatable. It comes with detachable straps, and this is saltwater corrosion proof. So great speaker as always from Soundcore. So to connect these in the PartyCast way, what you have to do is turn this on. You turn on your Bluetooth. Once your Bluetooth is on, you press the PartyCast button here. Once the PartyCast button is on, you turn this speaker on, or whichever one you want first, right? You turn this speaker on, you turn your Bluetooth off. If you observe, the Bluetooth is off. Once the Bluetooth is off, then you hit the PartyCast button right over here. Once you hit that PartyCast, this connects to this. So now this speaker is in charge of this speaker over here. Next, you come to the Motion Boom 2. The Boom 2. You turn the Boom 2 on. You turn your Bluetooth off, and you hit the PartyCast button over here. Once you hit that, these two are now connected and are now controlled by the brand new baby of the bunch, the Soundcore Boom 3i. So this allows you to control the volume up, volume down, and the pause and play. If you wanted to use either of these as a main speaker in control, this would be so let's say if you want to use this speaker as a main speaker in charge of everything else, you turn this speaker on first, keeping your Bluetooth on, pressing your PartyCast, and it does do everything I just said in reverse, where these would now have to be Bluetooth off, PartyCast connect to this, PartyCast connect to this. Simple as that. It's not that hard. It took me a while to figure out. The main issue with PartyCasting is you have to turn the slave speakers off. So these are the slave speakers. So you turn these off with respect to the Bluetooth of these speakers. Now I have these connected. I'm going to show you how this sounds. So as you can see, no distortion, no issues, works just fine. The good part about it, as I said, you could pause and play from right here. You could volume up, volume down. So let's say if I'm playing, I could increase the volume, decrease the volume, all right here. When I'm done, I could press the power button and it should turn all of the speakers off. What I'm gonna do now is spread the speakers out and give you a little chance to hear what this sounds when the speakers are spread out. So 1 second over here. All right, so I spread the speakers out. I have one speaker on top of the fire pit over here. I have one speaker over here next to the TV. So this is the main speaker that's in control, the brand new speaker from Soundcore, the Boom 3i. As I said, I could pause and play right here. And as you see, no distortion, no issues, no lag in the audio. It's just perfectly synced, works extremely fine. I could put these speakers, one speaker could be in the back bedroom, one speaker could be in the patio, one speaker could be in the kitchen, and I could be jamming out. Amazing audio experience. And if I want, I could lower the volume just like this. So again, the PartyCast feature from Soundcore works well if you understand that the speaker that's in control is the only speaker that Bluetooth should be on. Those other speakers, their Bluetooth should be off, connecting the PartyCast via the button right over here and via the buttons on those independent speakers. So again, the PartyCast feature is amazing. This brand new speaker is amazing. It works well in conjunction with everything else that Soundcore has to offer. The Boom 2 and the Motion Plus technically aren't in the same bracket of speakers, but the PartyCast syncs everything together, gets the audio right, gets the EQ right, no distortion, no delay, no lagging, just perfect audio all the time. So you have to admit, this brand new speaker from Soundcore, the Boom 3i, is pretty dope. And until next time, see you guys.